Welcome to Fram Potato. Today we'll explore the corn harvesting process to make livestock feed. From vast cornfields to nutrient-rich feed for farm animals. Stay with us as we go through each step of this exciting journey. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel for more amazing farming content. In the United States, corn harvesting takes place on a large scale and uses advanced technology to achieve high efficiency. Combined harvesters are commonly used to harvest corn quickly and with high yields. The vast cornfields are harvested by automated machinery, helping to minimize labor and maximize output. Specialized corn harvesters can harvest thousands of acres of land in just a few days. After the corn is harvested, it is transported to processing plants where the kernels are processed and packaged for the market. Post-harvest corn can be used to produce animal feed, processed into food products, or manufactured into other industrial products. The corn harvesting process in the United States not only ensures a stable corn supply, but also demonstrates the integration of advanced technology and modern farming techniques to achieve the highest efficiency. The process of ensiling corn after harvest in the U.S., also known as silage, plays a crucial role in preparing feed for livestock. The fermentation process helps preserve the nutritional value of the corn, especially carbohydrates, and improves digestibility and absorption for the animals. Additionally, ensiling extends the shelf life of corn, allowing it to be stored and used throughout the winter when fresh feed is scarce. The fermentation process creates lactic acid, which enhances the flavor of the corn, making it more palatable for livestock and increasing feed consumption. Moreover, silage provides a highly digestible, energy-rich feed source that helps maintain the health and energy levels of the animals. Finally, ensiling corn helps farmers save on feed costs by utilizing locally available resources instead of purchasing commercial feed. Of ensiling corn, silage, developed gradually over many centuries and cannot be attributed to a single individual. However, it can be traced back to agricultural research and experimentation in the 19th century. The method of fermenting and preserving feed for livestock became popular in Europe around the 1800s, particularly in Germany, where studies on fermentation and feed preservation were conducted. One of the key figures in the development of silage was Friedrich Wilhelm August Hellriegel, a German scientist who conducted important research in the late 19th century on fermentation in forage plants and the importance of preserving feed for livestock. Over time, the practice of ensiling corn spread and became widely adopted around the world. While there is no single inventor, the development and application of this technique is the result of many years of research and improvement in the agricultural industry. watching today's video. I hope the information about corn and its farming processes was helpful and informative. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel so you won't miss any upcoming videos. See you in the next one. Have a great day.